Apart from it being hella hot and my camera's probably gonna overheat because the sun's hitting the window and I'm facing my window, I no longer use my ring light tee unless it's nighttime and I'm filming. My hair looks good. I mean, okay. I just curled this hair this morning, but today we're going to be talking about my eyebrows because the elephant in the room is that I do not have brows. Yeah, a lot of you guys clock me in the comments down below saying I look like a reptile without no makeup. I have no eyebrows. Of course I do draw on my eyebrows, but if this is your first time seeing me, I am so sorry that you're seeing me like this. Hi, I'm Jazlynn Westbrook. So let's get right into the brow. I'm going to do one off camera just to save some time, but I'm going to be going through the whole concealer process and all that stuff on camera for you guys. But I'm back. Can you appreciate these brows? Well, the brow. Eyebrows really do make a difference, and like, if you gonna tell me otherwise, please let me know. Because bitch, what the fuck is this? We need to get ourselves situated. I'm gonna list down the things you're going to need to achieve this brow look. The things that I do use. I know a lot of people use other things, so you guys are probably gonna watch other tutorials, but this is mine, so welcome back, bitch. I'm using the Milani Easy Brow Pencil. It just looks like this, and it has a little spoolie on the end. And what this is, it's just like a eyebrow pencil. And I use these apart from dip brow because I don't like the dip brow look. I know it's kind of scary that I don't have eyebrows really, but I just never grow them. They're thin. It's been like this all my life, so don't judge me. So I shaped my brow with this. So I got this palette from BoxyCharm, and I only use it for the black and the brown right here, to be completely honest. And what I do with the black, and I know you guys are probably like, bitch, why are you putting black on your eyebrows? Once I put on black eyeshadow with my angled brush that you guys are gonna need, it creates a fiber look. You want that look on your brow. I don't apply black to the front of my brows. I just brush it out, and then you're good to go. But we're going to just be doing that all right now. I just wanted to list some products. I know I talk too much, and I know you guys probably don't care, but this is a brow tutorial. If I don't, a lot of you guys are gonna be like, why didn't you say anything? If I talk too much, you guys tell me I'm talking too much. So I do not shape up my brows because I don't have any brows to shape up. So when I'm doing my wing or tail of my brow, I can basically do whatever shape I want as long as I kind of taper it out. I can't do too high up because, you know, I got still a little bit of hairs right there, but I just follow my natural brow shape. I'm currently running late to a dentist appointment or an orthodontist appointment because a lot of you guys got mad at me on my story time saying that it was a dentist and it was an ortho. So yeah, I'm running late to my orthodontist appointment, which is for my braces. I wish I can have you guys comment down below some colors. I'm probably just gonna go with red because I am wearing red. It is from Honeybum. It is a whole bodysuit, and it is just super cute. So I will link it down below if you guys just want to check it out. I'm not sponsored. So I zoomed in just to show you guys how I did my brows. So I didn't really fill in too much of the top part with the Easy Brow because I want to gradually brush it up once I put the black at the ends, only because you don't want black in the front of your brow because it's just going to mess things up and you're gonna look like a block brow, and we don't do Roblox eyebrows here. I'm so sorry. But now we're going to go into the shade, what is this called, All Nighter, in the palette right here that I got from BoxyCharm. And what you're going to be doing is just filling in the ends of your brows and making it, I don't know, I wouldn't say as dark as possible. And do you guys notice how I'm not touching the front of my eyebrow? I'm leaving that be because I do not want no product right there. So now that I applied the black to the outer parts of my brow, I'm going to be gradually brushing it up so I can have that faded look. And then if you need to add some more Easy Brow, you can. So I know what you're probably saying, bitch, that looks crazy. You need to conceal. They don't even look the same. Bitch, they're not twins. They're siblings, so they're not always going to look the same. Just putting that out there for you guys. So the concealer I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer, and this is in the shade 40. I do use this only because I do like a super bright underbrow highlight, I suppose. A lot of you guys don't like it, but for me personally, I love it, and I just use this to conceal the tops and bottoms. So now what we're going to be doing is using the wand from the concealer and just carving out your brow shape. You want to try and make it identical as possible. I know they're not going to be twins like I said before, but try and get it as close as possible. While we're doing my brows, let's talk about my Instagram. I've been posting some fire pictures lately, and I hope you guys are appreciating them. A lot of you guys ask me who takes my pictures, and it's mainly my mom or my best friends Mario and Anthony. So that was probably a text from them just now, but yeah, I've been posting some heat lately. I don't know if you guys want to follow me, or if you have followed me, comment down below. But yeah, check out my Instagram. It is Jazlynn Westbrook. It'll be right here. Oh my god, see, this is why I have to get my eyebrows done, because I'm going to zoom in right here. You guys probably can't see it, but there's hairs, and that's typically going to happen, but I do need to get my eyebrows shaped up. Always ask me how I do my brows, and honestly, I don't know how I do my brows. They always come out different. They're not always going to be the same, and in almost every video, if you guys do look, my eyebrows are different. So don't expect my eyebrows to stay the same. Don't expect a phase, because they're always going to be changing, you know? The world spins almost every day, just like my eyebrows change almost every day. A lot of you girls really want your eyebrows to look symmetrical and the same, but in reality, Batty B, Barbie Tings, or whatever she says, your eyebrows aren't always going to be the same. So just face the fact and just do your brows to the best of your ability. That's the real tea. I wouldn't be surprised if I didn't get dragged for this video, but that is how I do my brows. I know a lot of people do them other ways. You guys can watch a lot of other videos if you didn't take anything from mine, but I hope you guys appreciated a little bit of it. I know a lot of you guys want an updated makeup tutorial of me doing my whole face, like my whole situation, and I will do that. It'll probably be in the next couple videos, so it will probably be in the next couple videos, but I do have it planned. This is a complete makeup. If you guys did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I know it was a quick one, but I just wanted to get this eyebrow tutorial out for you guys. If you guys did learn something, please comment down below. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. They'll be linked down in the description box below, or right here at Jazlynn Westbrook. Subscribe if you haven't, and turn on post notifications. But without further ado, I love you guys with all my heart. Peace, love, and dildos. Bye, guys.